Let's talk about Agantujwara. Agantujwara is the eighth type of Jwara according to Charaka. There are other seven types which are Vata, Pitta, Kapha, and Vata Pitta, Vata Kapha, and Pitta Kapha, and Sannipata. So eighth variety is Agantu. Agantu is external, exogenous. So causative factors are external. So Jwaro Ashtada Pritatvanva Sangata Agantu Jasmitaha. 8 types of jwaras are there according to Charaka. Jwaro Ashtata Pritak Dvandva Sangata Agantija. So all are internal visheshan and the second one is external. So 7 are internal and 8th one is external. So Aganturashtamo yastu sanirtishtash in Agantuja, which is 8th variety, there are 4 types of sanirtishtash chaturvidaha. Chaturvidaha means 4 types of causes are there. One is, so let's see the sutra. Abhighataabhishangapya abhicharaabhishapata. Abhichara, so abhighata, abhishanga, abhichara, and abhishapata. These are the 4 varieties, 4 types of external jwaras and exogenous jwaras. So what is abhighata jwara? Abhighata jwara is injury. Jwara happens because of the injury. Injury due to a weapon, stone, whip, or stick, or fist, or slap, or teeth. Animal teeth, or human teeth, anything. These weapon, stone, whip, these are all during the war or fight can be possible. So there is a easy way to remember what are the things causes abhighata jwara. Shastra loshta kasha kashta mushtaratni talad vijayhi. Shastra loshta kasha kashta. Shastra loshta kasha kashta mushta aritnitala dvijayhi. So shastra is weapon, loshta is stone. Shastra loshta kasha kashta mushti arakni talai dvijayhi. These are the causative factors for abhighata jwara. In abhighata jwara, first it vitiates vata and then rakta. So symptoms will be like Veda is severe pain, inflammatory pain, and suffering. Shofa is inflammation, there is swelling, and Vaivarnam discoloration. Ruja is red, pain. Ruja is pain. So these can be the symptoms, and Kshata Chikitsa will be the ideal for abhighata jwara. Let's see Abhishanga jwara. Abhishanga jwara can happen because of Kama, Shoka, Bhaya, Krodha, and Bhuta and Vishajanya. So Kama Shoka Bhaya Krodhai Abhishaktesya yo jwaraha. Kama Shoka Bhaya Krodhai Abhishaktesya yo jwaraha. So Kama is desire, Shoka is grief, Bhaya is fear, and Krodha is anger, and Bhuta is evil spirits, and Visha is poison. So these are 6 causative factors for Abhishanga jwara. Let's see in detail. So if somebody has a strong desire for anything and they're not getting, they're thinking about it, and in that case they may breathe heavily. So that's the indication. Symptoms we can see, not symptoms, indication. Like how do we find out? Is because of the thinking and sitting alone and thinking about the thing intensely, isolating themselves, and also Uchvasa Nishvasa, breath can also be indication for Kama jwara. In that condition, we try to make them happy, Harshana Chikitsa or Vayu Prashana Chikitsa, which is pacify the Vata, and then Ishtalabha, whatever they are desirous for, we try to provide the thing. Let's say a kid is desired for a play toy and he's not getting, he thinks about it and gets fever. So like that, there is one more, Shoka jwara. So if somebody cries, a loved one is passed away, and we feel sorrow, grief, and then that chinta, shoka can cause also fever. In that condition, we may treat a person with the Vismarana Chikitsa. Vismarana means we try to involve in other things so that the person can forget about the stuff, whatever causing the grief. In Shoka jwara, we can see tears a lot, and that is the indication. And Bhaya jwara, we see shivering kind of kampana. If a kid watched a scary movie and that caused him so intense fear and can cause jwara. So in that condition, we opt for the Ashvasana Chikitsa, which is counseling. We try to and make the person understand. So Krodha. Fourth one is Krodha Chikitsa. Fourth one is Krodhaja Jwara. Krodhaja Jwara, intense anger can cause Krodhaja Jwara. Krodha is anger. In that condition, Pitta gets vitiated. Vitiate usually. Kama Shoka Bhaya cause Vata vitiation, but Krodha is Pitta vitiation. In that condition, red cheeks or red eyes, and the Chikitsa will be Raktavasika or pleasing treatment. So, Bhutavisha, evil spirits. Let's say 3 roads are merging in a place where in the midnight somebody is crossing or somebody parked their car, and that can lead the person to easily get invade, and the evils can invade that person easily. So, in that condition, it can be Graha, Pitru, Gandharva, or what else? Even Rakshasa, Pishacha, all can invade. Sometimes Bhuta can be unknown, unseen, right? So it can be germs or something which we cannot see through eyes. So in that condition, Satme Madhya or Mamsa, if it's evil spirits, we offer the desirable or light. Madhya is wine and Mamsa or meat is meat. So we offer and the fever will be disappear. So that's in that condition. How do we know it's a Bhuta Visheshwara? Person behaves very differently than usual. Amanusha, we say, means he eats a lot or talks a lot or laughs, something which is unusual he does. Behavior will be very unusual. And Vishajanya is the 6th variety. In this Vishajanya Jwara, because of the poisonous trees, air, or flowers, or sometimes bites, can also cause Vishaja. Bites can also cause a person get fever. So Visha Chikitsa will be ideal over there. So person loses the consciousness and intoxication is Mada and fatigue weakness. So we have to put Visha Chikitsa over there. And fourth type of Jwara is, and so third type of Jwara is Abhichara because of the spell, and then magic spell, dark magic, something like that. Abhishapa is due to the curse. Like let's say we are doing constantly some bad karmas, hurting a person and causing, they give a curse to us. Like if it's so bad, then we get fever. So Abhishapa, it really works, and the pain and the fever can be unbearable because it shows all Sannipata Lakshanas. In the beginning, these all Agantuja Jwaras, initially they manifest in the form of Kama, Krodha, Bhaya, etc. But will get associated with the symptoms of aggravated Vata, Pitta, Kapha in the later stage. So, Sannipat, these Abhishapa can affect Chitta, Indriya, and mind. So, the symptoms will be depending on which organ, which part it is affecting. So, the symptoms will be like that. So, Chikitsa will be very different. For Abhigata, we apply Shatadauta Krita, injuries, or we take internally. If it's Abhishanga, Kama, Krodha, Bhayat, that kind we talked about detailedly. And Abhichara and Abhishapa, these Adravya Bhuta Chikitsas will do, Daiva Vipashraya Chikitsas can work.